always loved you. What? Like platonic? No rain stopped!
The distraction's going pretty well. Good job, Juan.
Thank you. Now time to cover the island itself.
Aw, man. It was my very first cake at steak. And it's ruined! 10 contestants battle for a Nintendo Switch as the Tesla is the co-host.
Hi, he'll be back.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Flashlight.
Hello there. Hi. How's it going?
Hi.
That's not all, because we got 1 and 3 as the neighbors. Why? Don't go out there. It's very dangerous. What do you care? No! Alright, Team Stop Sign and Team Greatest Names. You guys are up for elimination, and it's a heavy weather here. Okay, let's get started. Stop Sign is safe at 0 votes. Blood Oxygen Ball has also got 0 votes. And why? Flashlight, you also get 25 votes. Oh no! That means I got 75 votes in a tie with 4.
You're not supposed to know that.
Time to see the first person who's going away. Well, time to recover her.
Wait, what's going on?
Thanks, Tesla.
How can we stop a storm, and who's controlling it?
Wow, I never knew you could talk. I thought you were confirmed to mute or something. Red chip! Everyone, listen up. I know things have been going weird lately. Even if we were battling for the Nintendo Switch, it's still happening to be weird. You know, Apple's got a point. I mean, sure, we saved the Earth by cracking open, but that doesn't mean that the world is safe.
Yeah, Apple is right. If we want to stop the storm, we have to work together until next episode.
That's correct. For today's challenge, we have to stop the storm activating by something else. The last one who stops it will be up for elimination. Go! You wanna fight? I'll show you want to fight. I don't think I'm ready, why? Yeah, I'm scared too. But you know what they say, you fight. What just happened?
Attention contestants, a tornado has been sighted 2,763 miles away.
It looks like it's the end of the world.
I don't even care if BFNS started already. But it's the end of the world.